starting with the next lesson, lesson number 2, implement polymorphism using interfaces. As I have discussed about this polymorphism, as you already know about this polymorphism, poly means many, forms, morphism means forms. That means use of the same thing for the different purpose, that is called polymorphisms. And we have also implemented polymorphism using the inheritance. Now we are going to discuss about the implementing polymorphism using interfaces. As you know, interfaces are the special classes, or you may say that the super classes that cannot be instantiated. But we can also create the reference variable of the interfaces. As you can see in this figure, we are going to do upcast with interface references. So as you already know, in case of upcasting, we assign the reference variable of the base class to the superclass reference variable. So in the same case of interface upcasting, you can see we are going to create the two reference variable. The first reference variable go_rental, type refer to LCL rental, which is going to implement this interface alive_partner. So LCL_rental is our derived class, and alive_partner is our superclass, which is an interface. So we are going to create the reference variable of this interface go_partner, type refer to alive_partner. Now we are going to create the object, create object go_rental, which is an object of the derived class. Now this go_rental is pointing to the LCL rental, which can access the public component of the rental class. Now this go_rental, the derived class reference variable, we are going to assign to the go_partner. So this is called upcasting or widening cast. That means the go_partner reference variable component can also be accessible to the go_rental reference classes. So by this way you can use the upcasting. Now come to the next topic, row type of internal tables in the application example, and this is also called the generic access with the interfaces. As in the previous unit number 3, we have already created the internal table, and then in this internal table we have assigned the number of objects or reference variable of the local class vehicle. In the same case we are going to do with the case of interfaces. So this is LCL_travel_agency, in which we are going to create the internal table empty_partner, and if you want to add the number of object references in this internal table, we can do with the help of append. So in this case, this is travel agency local class need to manage the various kind of business partner in a one list. You must therefore assign the row type of the internal table as the reference to the interface live_partner. So these, the pink component is showing is the interface components of the hotel class, and this is the rental class, and this is your carrier class. The travel agency only wants to request the services in order to display their attributes and check the availability. So the relevant display_partner and check_ability methods are generally be defined in case of LIF_partner class and implemented all in the business partner classes. So the interface LIF_partner, their services generally can be implemented in the hotel class, rental class, as well as in the carrier class, and these services from these classes can be added into the internal table of the travel agency. So in this case we use add_partner method, and this method copies the references of all the kind of the business partners in internal table. How we can do that? With the help of methods add_partner importing I underscore partner, and type refer to the LIF underscore partner. Now come to the next topic, polymorphism, generic access using the interface references. As I have already told you, polymorphism, use of the same function name in different classes. So you can see that we are going to implement the interface method display underscore partner in the hotel, rental as well as into the carrier class. So we need to use the same name. So how we can do that? You can see this is a method life underscore partner display underscore partner, but this display underscore partner method of the interface is calling the function display underscore hotel underscore attributes. Similarly, in case of rental class, the rental class going to implement the interface method life underscore partner display partner and then display underscore rental underscore data, and so on in case of LCL carrier. Now you can see in all of these classes, hotel, rental and carrier, the method name of the interface display underscore partner is same, but they are doing the different functions. That means use of the same function for the different purpose is called polymorphism. In case of display underscore partner, it is displaying the hotel attributes, or in this case it is displaying the rental data, or in this case it is displaying the attributes. So by this way you can implement the polymorphism. So this was all about the lesson number 2 of the unit number 4.